Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into PayPal for credit access, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser of choice. Type in the URL www.paypal.com. Press the enter key on your keyboard. Wait for the PayPal homepage to load. Locate the login button in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will now see the login fields. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, enter your password in the second field. Ensure that both entries are correct. If you wish to stay logged in, check the box for Keep Me Logged In. Click the Login button to proceed. After a moment, you will be redirected to your PayPal dashboard. Here, you can access various features. To check your credit access, look for the Wallet option in the menu. Click on Wallet. Once in your wallet, find the section for credit options. If you have a PayPal credit account, it will be displayed here. Select the option to view your credit details. You can now manage your credit access and settings. Review your available credit and transaction history. If you need further assistance, check the Help section. You have successfully logged into PayPal for credit access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.